This is the Redcat Kaiju 6S, and today we're gonna be doing speedruns with it in this huge parking lot.
And then we're gonna take it on a super long road and see if we can hit any faster than on this parking lot.
But hopefully we can hit full just in this parking lot right here. This video is gonna be crazy. Let's get to it. All right, we're ready to do speedruns with the Kaiju. I can't wait.
So we have two Saipom 5200 milliamp hour 50C lipos that are gonna be powering this today.
Let's pull off the body. Everything on this car is completely stock. We haven't changed anything. Let's pop in these batteries. 3, 2, 1. Boom, we got it all in. Those battery straps are barely holding the batteries in. Let's get our GPS set up. This is a Dynamite GPS 2.0. Press mode, press enter. All right, let's put this down. Plug in the Dean's plugs, turn on the radio. We got power, let's run this. All right guys, we got it all the way down there and we're ready to do speedruns. I really hope I can hit full. We've seen a lot of YouTube videos where it constantly flips over and they never can hit full. Let's see how it does. That was almost full, but those tires were ballooning so much, I don't think it was going very fast. Whoa, there it goes.
Look at that.
Whoa, all the way down the parking lot. All right, let's do another speedrun. So as you guys probably guessed, this thing is not a speed car.
Definitely meant more for skate parks and
yeah,
bashing.
and bashing in general. But we still need to see what this thing can hit. I'm hoping 55 or 60. Let's continue.
Can we hit faster?
Guys, that was so close to full. I'm just gonna punch full. I don't care what happens. I'm gonna try to hit full and we'll see how fast it goes. All right, let's do this. That was super close, guys. All right, let's see if she's okay. I think we're good. And keep in mind, guys, we haven't even looked at the speed of this, so let's look at it right now.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Hope you can see that, 41 miles an hour. So guys, looks like 41 is what we're gonna get here in this parking lot.
So let's go to the longer strip. We might hit that like 44, like 45.
I think we can hit something close to 50. So yeah, we'll see you on the speedrun strip. All right guys, we're at the other strip. Look how long this thing is. That's what she said. Please excuse the very red face. It is extremely hot out. We got the Kaiju all set up, all the plugs plugged in. We got the speed meter all cleared out. You can see we've already gone 2 miles an hour. So let's put the body on.
Okay, I think it's all trimmed up, so let's bring it all the way down to the end over there.
All right guys, we're gonna take it all the way down here. Look how long this strip is. Did you guys see those tires? That was crazy.
They're like, I'd say that was like
dinner
10
plate
inches
size.
in diameter.
Yeah, dinner plate size.
Look at those tires, that's crazy. Was that full?
That wasn't even full. Do really back.
Oh yeah, all the way. Oh yeah. Whoa, it's actually moving in that direction.
That's crazy. That was crazy.
That's madness, it's insane. That sounded like full. Was that full?
That was full for like a couple seconds. So we're gonna do one more and then we're gonna see if we can hit full longer.
All right. We have...
Whoa, guys. 48 miles an hour. That is not bad at all. Let's feel that motor really quick. I'm kind of afraid. It's like stinging hot.
Yeah, let's power it off. Unplug the batteries.
Turn off that radio. And that's it for the Kaiju today. All right, guys, that was the video. We hope you enjoyed. 48 miles an hour. That's a pretty crazy speed. It's not too bad, but it's also not too good either. I was really hoping we get 60 out of it.
But it's definitely more meant for skate parks. It has so much torque.
There will be a link down below to the Redcat Kaiju if you want to pick one up for yourself. It's around $430, I think. So not a bad price for what you're getting for the money. Thanks for watching. We're almost about to hit 800 subscribers.
Almost monetized.
I can't wait.
Anyway, guys, that is it for this video.
Make sure to like and subscribe like that little animation is showing you. Comment down below what you think of the Redcat Kaiju. What do you think of that speed? I'm interested to see how you guys feel about 48 miles an hour. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next time. Goodbye.